Most assuredly, I say to you, unless a seed, grain of wheat falls into the ground and dies, it remains alone. But if it dies, it produces much grain. Ibig sabihin, kung yung buto, mananatiling buto, at hindi mo mamatay, mananatili siyang mag-isa. Pero pag namatay siya, mamumunga siya ng marami. It refers to Christ. Unless Jesus, the seed, died and rose again from the dead, nobody will be saved. The seed was delivered up because of our offenses, died and rose from the dead because of our justification. Si Jesus diniliver para mamatay. The seed, kung namatay, nagbuhay na magmuli. Kailangan mamatay yung seed para mabuhay. Ang gagawin mo sa seed, hukay ka, ililibing mo. Tapos, that's death, burial, and resurrection. Kailangan mamatay yung seed. Mamatay para sa ating kasalanan. Inilibing. Unless the seed dies, it will not bear fruit.